about symmetry. But do you know what? Okay. Well, you guys probably want to turn around to see, to look at my face. Okay. All right. Yeah. Look at my face now. Okay. I'm going to make facial expressions. Okay. I'm going to make faces, and then you have to tell me if it is symmetry or not. Okay. Okay, you understand? We learned symmetry, right? We divided symmetry in half like this using the line of symmetry last time. Now we have eyes on both sides and half of the mouth on both sides and then ears on both sides. Yeah? So I have eyebrows on both sides, right? So my face is symmetrical, right? Okay.
And this too.
Yeah?
This.
Yeah, my face is symmetry, right? Now, okay, what we are going to do is I'm going to make face and then see if my face is now symmetrical or not. Do you understand? Okay, like symmetrical?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay, how about this?
No.
Not symmetrical, right?
No.
Okay, how about this?
No.
This is symmetrical, right?
Yes.
Both sides the same, right?
Yes.
How about this?
No.
Okay, who would like to try making the faces? Okay. Okay, let's try tail first. Okay. So you have to you have to tell, okay, you can just stay there. Actually, come here because we are having a video meeting. Okay. Okay, everybody, look at tail. Okay. Symmetrical, I think. Yes? Now more. Three faces you can make each person. Symmetrical, yes? Yeah. Okay. Symmetry, yeah? Symmetry. Okay, good. Okay, cool. Who would like to try now? Becky. Okay, now this time we can try something else. Now use your whole body. Okay. Is this symmetry?
Yes.
How about this?
No.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. How about this?
No.
Okay. How about this?
Yes.